All curls can dream, so let those dreams come true and let your curls live their most fabulous life. Hi, I'm Pati Rodriguez, Matrix Bilingual Educator and owner and hairdresser at Lozania Studio. Today, I'm going to take you through Matrix Total Results A Curl Can Dream line, a line that is specific for all curl types and curl patterns, where you can create and customize your own hair care and styling routine. A Curl Can Dream, the first Matrix line to preserve the curl pattern from beginning to end, from bleach to braid to twist to style, day after day. It works for all curl types, whether you have loose ringlets or tightly coiled curls. A Curl Can Dream is infused with Manuka honey extract, a natural humectant that is known to keep hair moisturized and dewy. When it comes to styling your curly hair, you may already have your go-to method, but remember to open yourself up to trying a different way of styling your curly hair. That way you don't get bored and you can come out with something different and something new and fabulous. A recommended styling routine is using moisturizing cream, light hold gel, and lightweight oil to create a beautifully finished curl. The moisturizing cream is a leave-in cream that provides moisture plus definition without flaking or crunch. Use after washing. The light hold gel is a defining gel that layers perfectly and beautifully over the moisturizing cream without flaking or any crunch. Use after washing and after applying the moisturizing cream. So we're going to start by removing your shower cap, and I'm going to divide the hair and start working from the bottom to the top. I'm going to take about 1 to 2 inch sections, and I'm going to start applying our moisturizing cream in a prayer hand method, taking a small amount, working from the top all the way down to the ends. Then I'm going to overlay our light hold gel in the same way, and I'm going to apply it in a prayer hand method, and then I'm going to finger rake and shake your hair. Remember, when working in extra wide sections, divide into smaller subsections and take a smaller amount of product. That way you will evenly distribute the product throughout each section and you're not overusing any hair product. Now that we've fully applied our styling product throughout the hair, now we're going to go to diffusing the hair. So you want to really get to know your blow dryer, get to know the heat settings, the speed settings, and get yourself a really good diffuser. So today I'm going to diffuse your hair by tilting your head back, and we're going to start drying within the top section. Then we're going to move to the middle section. Then we're going to move down to the tips of your hair. Now for diffusing your hair, you want to ideally stay at a low speed. You want to use a cool, warm, or high, depending on how your hair dries, how much time you have, and how much product you've applied. Remember that when styling your curly hair, a lot of it's going to be customized to your personal preferences and your curl type. But you do want to avoid doing a high speed because you don't want to force too much air to the curls that can cause a lot of frizz. Now the position of your head is going to matter too on how you're going to style your hair. If you want to keep something with low volume, you can just keep your head upright, tilted to the side so that you're able to dry within each section. If you want to get a lot of volume, flipping your head upside down is going to be the best way, but it can be a little bit more uncomfortable. The key is going to be that when you're drying at each section, that you allow the hair to dry nearly 70 to 80% before moving on to the next section. That way, you're not causing frizz as you're working your way down the hair. Now remember, when you're diffusing the hair, this is going to take a while because you want to allow the hair to fully dry. So remember to customize your styling routine, and maybe diffusing isn't something that you do every time you wash your hair. Maybe it's something you do on a special occasion. When diffusing, try to avoid over manipulating the hair, but you do want to grab it and move it around and pick it up so that you're able to diffuse inside the hair too. But remember, moving your head around is really going to help too. So if you have a lot of hair and you're kind of over the diffusing process, it's okay. Just make sure you allow the hair to fully air dry all on its own before you start to manipulate it. So once the hair is fully dry and you touch it, you're gonna feel a slight cast to the hair. And guess what? That is okay. That is actually perfect. I know some of you are not accustomed to that feeling, or maybe you get scared when you feel that, but that cast is ensuring that the hair and that curl formation is staying intact. Guess what? That's how you eliminate frizz. The lightweight oil is perfect to finish and separate out curls and add shine. Use at the end of your routine once the hair is fully dried. I'm going to take my lightweight oil. I'm going to do a few pumps in my hand, rub it between my two hands. So you want to take those pieces that have that cast and you want to now start to gently separate. By having that lightweight oil As you're manipulating the hair, you're imparting a lot of that shine. You're really helping to control some of that frizz. Plus, it smells good. So you want to continue working throughout the hair and separating any curl clusters. That's really going to help give you a lot of volume and to really allow these curls to live their best life. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel more curl confident and ready to try A Curl Can Dream. If you want to try the products and shop the line, head to Hair.com and subscribe for more questions. Reach out to me and follow me on Instagram at Pati Rodriguez. And remember that all curls can dream. So let those dreams come true and let your curls live their most fabulous life.